Okay, so V-band clamps. What's a V-band clamp? So a V-band clamp is basically this. What it is just a way to secure your exhaust, and they call it V-band because of the V shape right there you see, and it has an outer band that holds everything together. So basically what it is it's two machined inner pieces that weld in the exhaust system. So you'd have a piece of exhaust tubing welded to this side and then one to this side, and they would join up here. There's a machined lip, male on this side, female on this side, that kind of receive one another, and then they're held together on the outside with this clamp. And it has a T-bolt across the top and a locking nut. And because the tolerances are so tight in the machined lip here, it's leak free. So it's a very slick way to do your exhaust, and we're going to put this on the Falcon. I'm retrofitting a set of early Hedman headers to work with these. So let's take a look at what that process looks like. So if you want to do this yourself on a set of headers that you have, it's very easy. All you need to do is ensure you cut the old collector off at a point that leaves you an outside diameter that is equal to the inside diameter of the V-band part that you purchased. Mine was 2.5, and the collector that was on here was like the round bulbous type where you can kind of move everything around. Just make sure you measure back far enough to get a true 2.5 inch diameter on the collector, and then place the V-band where you want it. And I just tacked it twice on the inside and then ran small stitch welds around, alternating side to side until I did the whole thing and got it all welded up. The purpose to kind of stitch welding it like that was to keep all the heat not from kind of pouring into this collector at one time. I didn't want to crack any other factory welds or anything. I mean, after all, these are I think like a $200 set of headers, so not super high budget here, but easy enough upgrade to do if you've got a welder.